This is a Bulova wristwatch movement. I guess it's 11 ALC, 17 joules, manual wind. It's a wristwatch I got when I bought a pocket watch case. I got a bunch of wristwatches that needed servicing. Lucky for me, they just needed cleaning and oiling. And this one is waterproof, and it makes a difference because, I mean, the crystal, you can't tell, but it's all scratched up. In the case, you can't tell, but it's worn. The gold is worn off, and you can see the crown is worn down to the brass, but the movement is very clean and shiny. Right now I'm just letting it run down before I take it apart to clean everything out. Then I'll put it all back together and have a wristwatch. This thing looks like it's from the 60s or something. I guess from the style of the hands. It's not bad. It should be working pretty good. Hopefully it will keep time. There it is again. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Come on, focus. There you go. Yeah, center seconds. Looks like it's going to be a good one. Oops, focus, focus, focus. There you go.